guys, what's up, what's popping today? Welcome to WIGS series. Welcome to WIGS series, where beauty meets fashion, or where we create your perfect image. So guys, welcome to my small business, guys. Yeah, so I'm shooting this video today, 1st October. But guys, time is against me. Because I have to do a lot. I have a lot of wigs to do here at our shop. We mostly sell braided wigs. I usually work with my nieces, but they're back at school now. I'm working alone, Mom lately she has been helping me out, but now she's a little bit sick, so now I'm here alone, working, but I want to beat time, December is nearly approaching, yet I have to have a lot of things. Look, I need to fill all those gaps you see there, and my sewing machine is not working. The sewing machine we used to the sewing machine we used to sew the wigs, it's not working at the moment, guys. It's a big challenge, though I have to stick on my mission, So last week we produced only 2 weeks. Can you imagine 2 weeks? Let me show you. We have this. You guys like the wig? It looks nice. Oh my god.